It's me, Pavitran here. Just a quick view about how crude is going to behave. Um, I see somewhere around yesterday. If it breaks 1150, then only buyers will be strong in the market. As I said, it broke 1150, and see the rally happened lately. And just look out. Till where that rally had continued. I was expecting that rally to continue from here, but instead it was trying to go down. But still, the buyer was not giving up until the low of this candle at 12:30. Until the low has been broken. If that low has been broken and closed below, then we should square off the position which we have taken at 1150. But instead, that low was intact, and see how the buyers rallied. I can't able to use the situation to buy in Indian market since it got stuck with low circuit. But I just watching the levels, and somewhere around during 8 o'clock, inventory came. What was the inventory expectation? It was expecting somewhere around 15 million barrels. What previously somewhere around 19 billion barrels. So a 4 million drop in inventory, which is why the data has been positive. That is what the reaction is showing. 4 million barrels is short when compared to less. So, according to that concept, when compared to 15 million barrels, 19 billion barrels, when compared to 19, what the data has released is 15. So there is a short of 4 billion barrel, so price has to go up according to that. If the data somewhere around 23 or 24, then it is negative for crude oil. Okay, now what is going to happen? Let's see. Now we'll just extend this region towards downside, because right now it is taking support somewhere around here. Yeah, this is a region, this is just a temporary support region, and you can see the levels which I have drawn. Until this trend intact, this is a major view, not for intraday. You can't able to use that. This is a view. We don't even know when this is going to hit, on what time, on what day, we don't know. The market can stuck in a range bound, or suddenly on good news about the market it will blow up, and on bad news about crude oil it will blow down. So as far as view is concerned today, it's making quite a higher rise and a higher lows, so we can be a buyer in the market. But at what cost? What is the SL we have to keep? Major view for me is that you can try selling in that region with a high of the stop loss, high of this candle, recent candle. Yesterday too we got a rejection somewhere around 1620, and today also it got rejected from 1520 region. So you can play stop loss somewhere around 1620, and you can try to trade near, if you get near 1570, 1580, just 40 to 50 cents away, you can just try to get in. And when will the strong selling be coming? Only a strong selling will come only if it breaks the low of this candle, say which has formed at exactly at example 11 o'clock. That low has to break, and it has to close below that for the crude to again continue its fall. Uh, until which region it can fall further? My expectation is that it will come near this, and it can take support here, or if it breaks this, the trend line can provide some support. This, even if the trend line breaks, support will come near somewhere around $9 to $10 region. So let's hope for the best. What happens? Okay, fine. Yeah, these are the levels to watch out for. Watch out for 1620, and if it breaks that, then you can expect 18. If it breaks today's recent low, that is somewhere around round o'clock 1520, that is a $1 range between here and there. If it breaks any side and closes, then you can expect a $2 rally. Thank you.